Welcome back, Crammers, to question 7. Here are the first 5 terms of a number sequence. Write down the next term of the sequence. Now, when we have a sequence, we simply add, subtract, multiply, or divide by the same value every single time. We can find this by subtracting the second value from the first value. So 7 minus 1 is simply 6. We can add here plus 6. Now we can check again with the end. So 25 minus 19 is also 6. So we are correct here. Write down the next term of the sequence. So the next term is 25 plus 6, which is simply 31. Explain how you worked out this answer. We write add 6. Explain why 188 cannot be a number in this sequence. So firstly, let's see. Every number in this sequence is an odd number. Now, when you add an odd number with an even number, it will always equal an odd number. But see here that 188 is an even number. So it cannot be possible. No matter how many times we add 6, it will always be an odd number, specifically in this sequence. So we write here 188 is not an odd number. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.